In this video, I show you how to fix unfortunately call management has stopped problem on Android phone. For fixing this problem, go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now click on three dot. Now click on show system app. Now search for phone app. Click on phone. Click on storage and cache. Clear storage. Then delete. Now click on force stop. Click on OK. Now again search call management. If you cannot find call management, then click on phone calls. If you find call management, you can click on call management. Click on it. Click on storage and cache. Clear storage. Then delete. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, now I hope that this method fix call management has stopped problem on Android phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.